Good morning, children. We are getting into a new lesson. The lesson is Attic. It is written by Satyajit Ray. He's a famous novelist, famous cinematographer, and he's a person everybody, those who are in the cine field, certainly they must know about him. He's a novelist. He's sharing his experiences, not his experience, his friend's experience with us. So, to hear is human, forgiven is divine. Here is human. Okay, yeah. That means what? That is, it is quite common that human beings can make a mistakes. Even if we know the mistakes, if we know that is the mistake we have committed, we have to feel sorry for that and we have to rectify it. Not today, tomorrow, or after some years. So, anyhow, you have to feel sorry for your wrong deeds. So, this is the correct human. You want to be a correct, perfect human means you have to feel sorry for your wrong deeds. So, this is the lesson to us. Here, Satyajit Ray and his friend, both are partners. They are going, that is, his partner is, before that he is studying in a school. And after that he left the school because his father started the business after 29 years, that is, he left his native before 29 years. After 29 years, again he has come back to his own native and recollect his past. Who? Author's friend, that is Satyajit Ray friend. He corrected his past. In Calcutta, his father was doing a business. So, he was the business partner of Satyajit Ray. So, what are the characters in this? Satyajit Ray, one character, is just not interesting character here, just he is one of the person who accompanied with the person. His friend is the main character here. His friend name is Aditya. Who is the main character? Aditya. He is the business partner. So, Satyajit Ray business partner Aditya, and they were doing a business. So, just for relaxation they come from the business part to the native place of Aditya. Aditya studied in the school and he left the school before 29 years. And he completed his higher studies and all in Calcutta because his father started a business. Aditya got the old house, that own house, that is a old house. His grandfather built it before 200 years. So, they sold the house, after that only they settled. So, when he is coming to the native, Aditya recollecting his past and he shared everything with Satyajit Ray. On saying that only, and based on this experience only, that is real true experience, he has written this story. This is nothing else. The story is about Aditya. When he was in school, he is a good student only, but he never get first rank. He used to get only second rank. So, the first rank goes to some other person. Okay, yeah. That first person, who is the second person? Sanyal. Aditya and Sanyal, both are classmates. So, before 29 years, they were classmates. Aditya left the studies because his father started a business in Calcutta and Sanyal studied there. So, among two, who is the best means Sanyal only, always he get the first place. And he is getting second place only, Aditya. Okay. So, because he is getting second place, once what has happened, the singing. The Tagore, they are that is the story. Satyajit Ray and all belongs to West Bengal. So, the teacher starts Shakespeare's song, Rabindranath Tagore, his songs and all. The Sanyal, once after that they came, once in the childhood when he was young in the school, then Sanyal got the first place in some competition. Aditya could not get it. He is spoiled by his parents because he belongs to a rich family. So, whenever he demands money, his parents gave the money and spoiled him. So, due to that intention, whatever it may be, he wants to be in first place. Who? Aditya. He could not get success in the studies. He is always getting second place. So, he borrowed the cup. That is, he got the cup for the first place. Who? Sanyal got the first place and he got the cup. Aditya took the cup from him just to show to his father. And he never gave. He never returned to his friend. When the friend Aditya, Sanyal asked what happened to the cup, he said, there was a big hole in my pocket. The cup was fall down. Then he too never asked about all those things and he was keeping quiet. So after this was happened before 29 years. After 29 years, they came to the old place, that is where they have the school. They went to the school was entirely changed, and they went to the native, that is the house where they lived. They used to take a tea from a tea shop. The tea shop is there. That the tea man, that is the man, that they used to say uncle, that man has become old. So everything has, only the buildings have changed, but not the places. So he, fortunately, he met his friend Sanyal there. He could not identify he is Sanyal, but knowing the story of him from the tea man, that is tea uncle, he came to know that he is Sanyal and he thought of giving back his medal to him. Whether he is giving back the medal or not giving back, whether he feels sorry for his action, everything we have to say in this lesson. Shall you go to the lesson now? I have got a clear picture of story. That is, it's between, the story is written by Satyajit Ray. He never played any role in this. He just accompanied his friend. Who is his friend? Aditya. He was the business partner. Not only friend, he was a business partner of Satyajit Ray. And the story between Aditya and Sanyal. Sanyal was a student, co-student of Aditya when they were in school. So, when he got the first place in competition, the cup was taken by Aditya. He was just seizing from him and telling lies to him that he is lost somewhere else. And finally it was with him only, with Aditya only. After 29 years, he repented sorry for his action and he thought of giving the medal to Sanyal. Instead of medal, he wants to give the money. Whether Sanyal received the money or he get back the medal, this is the story. Clear? So whatever it may be, what's the moral of the story? To err is human. Okay. So that is doing wrong is human nature. But after at least not 1 year, 2 years, after some years you may realize it is wrong, immediately you should not feel ashamed of getting sorry from the person who was affected by you. So immediately we have to say sorry to them, and if possible we have to compensate that what you have taken from them we should give back. This is human nature. So if you are feeling sorry for the thing, means we are the human, or else we are not considered as human. Okay, let me go to the lesson. Take pencils in your hand and underline the important point. Who is telling the story to us? Satyajit Ray. Okay. Aditya and I, here I means what? Satyajit Ray, were returning from the site of our new factory at Dio Dorganj. Where is the factory? The factory is at Dio Dorganj. So already I said capitals. The starting letter, whenever you are writing nouns and all, you have to write in caps only. So they run a factory. Who? Aditya and Satyajit Ray both run a factory in Dio Dorganj. So syllable Dio Dorganj, 3 syllables there. Okay. We were driving along a national highway 40 kilometers. So they are coming with the speed of 40. Where they are coming up? They are passing national highway. Okay. We had reached a point where the road bifurcated. Bifurcated means divided into 2. What's the meaning of bifurcated? Bi means what I said? 2. Divides into 2. Okay. They are traveling the main bypass. So there the road divides into 2. Right side and left side. If they go by the right side, so if they go by right side, they would reach Brahmpur. So if they go by right side, what's the place they will reach? Brahmpur. B-R-A-M. Brahmpur. So if they go the right, they will reach Brahmpur. It is the place of the birthplace of Aditya. So the left side you are cut means they will go for some other place. He wants, and then Satyajit Ray asked his friend Aditya whether he wants to go right or left. If he goes right, what is there? Which place is there? Brahmpur. Brahmapur is the place where Aditya born, studied, and he got the friends there, and his father also got the own house in the Brahmapur only. So Satyajit Ray asked him whether he wants to go for right or left. Immediately what's his reply will be? Right. When he left our ancestral house, then now Aditya started. Who said the story to you now? Aditya started sharing his experience to his friend Satyajit Ray. When I left our ancestral house 29 years ago, the house was almost 200 years old. So that time itself, before 29 years, it was constructed before 200 years. What's the age of the house? 200 years. It was. And it recollected Aditya. I doubt even in the school building, which may have undergone many changes before 200 years. So after he left the place 29 years, certainly there should be drastic changes. No place can remain as it is. Even take our Muttaminagar, before 29 years, 25 years, there was no houses at all. Now how it is fully flooded with the houses only. Wherever you turn, there is no garden, nothing else. Everywhere we can see only houses. This is the drastic change. The same like I said, after 29 years, there must be change. What must be changed? The ancestral house. Ancestral means generation to generation. That is forefathers, before that forefathers lived, then we are living like that. Ancestral means what? Years together, that is generation to generation, we are living in the house that is known as what? Ancestral house. Even the school building also may have some changes. Who said? Aditya said. And Aditya said he wants to visit, he doesn't want to visit his old house or else the school. He wants to visit only the tea shop, that is where they used to have tea. The tea shop owner is Nejan. This is the third character in the lesson. When you go to the lesson, you have to see what are the characters. First character Aditya, second character Sanyal, his friend. The main character is Satyajit Ray. He is telling the story to us. He is giving his experience of his friend to us. He is sharing with us. Okay. So he wants to go. Where he wants to go, Aditya? He wants to go only to the tea shop, not anywhere else. Clear? So he wants to go where? He wants to go to the tea shop alone. So we took the turning to the right and decided to drive Brahmapur, of which Aditya's ancestors were once Zamindars. Ancestor house, I said. Ancestors means what? Forefathers. Before independence, actually India was ruled by the kings only. Then they have divided subdivisions. Jamindars was one of the subdivisions only. Aditya's forefathers were Jamindars. Aditya's father had left ancestral home and moved to Calcutta, where he had set up his own business. Okay, so first he was in Brahmapur, then after that they sold the house and everything. They started the business in Calcutta. After his death, Aditya was looking after his. So father was no more. Whose father? Aditya's father was no more. So next to the father, who will be the next legal heir? Son. So his son Aditya came to the power, and he was the partner of Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray and Aditya both were running the factory now. It was the month of Magha, that is January to February by the English calendar, the middle of the winter. So when they started the journey in the month of January and February. So it's otherwise known as Magha, year of Magha. That is 3:30 in the afternoon. They went to the tea shop. 3:30 p.m. they went to the tea shop. Okay. After about 10 minutes, we came to the local school. Then how the thing, they were traveling on the side, no, on the road. How the road, see it's given, a description is given there. On either side of the road were paddy fields. What is there? Paddy field everywhere. Fully, how greenish it will be, see. as far as the eye could see. Harvest was over, as far as the eye could see means what? So, but till you see, if you turn this side, that side, wherever you see, till our eye reaches, till the distance, what is there? Only paddy fields are there. So, harvest was over and there had been a good crop that year. Harvest is not yet over, so it's to be harvest panna, then certainly they will be getting much benefit. If you are feeding harvesting means what? Just cutting down the crops. The paddy field is full of crops only. About 10 minutes, we came to the local school. Which school it is? This is a school where Aditya studied. Beyond the iron gates were the playing field and the two-storied school building. We got down from the car and stood in front of the gate. So, before that it was only one story. Now the school has got two-story building. Two-story means ground floor, first floor and second floor. Our school is what? One-story building only. So, after that if there is then open place only we got. But if the place is constructed there, it is two-storied building also. Storied means how many floors it has. Then I asked Aditya whether everything was still the same. Who asked? Satyajit Ray. He replied that everything has changed. Is it not possible after 20 years everything should be certainly changed? Our school used to be one story. Now a new building has come up which was not there. What he said, before that school was only one story building. Now there is no school at all. A new building has come. Instead of that they demolished the building and they got a new house, new school. Were you not a good student? He asked. Next question what Satyajit Ray asked, are you a good student or not? Then here only he says the main theme of the story. He says, yes, but my position was always second, he replied. Who replied? Aditya. If his place is second means there should be certainly one person is there, those who got the first place. We decided to go and have a tea at Nagan Uncle's tea shop, which was next to the grocery shop and opposite to a temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. There was a temple adjacent to the school. What is there? There was a temple, Lord Shiva temple, and then grocery. Grocery means where the grains and all sold, no? That is provisional store, that is there. And next to that only what is there? Tea shop. Tea shop. On the board is there, that is Nagan's Tea Cabin. Instead of shop, what they are writing? Tea cabin. So the owner of the tea shop now over 60. Before 29 years, no. So now he was 60. Maybe that time he got only 31 like that. Now the owner is, that is Nagan, I said no. So what is the age now? 60 years old. The appearance seems to be he was 60. So what kind of man? Of his appearance is little rustic in appearance. That is somewhat white, greyish hairs and all there, whitish hair. With his white neatly combed hair and clean look with the same as before. Though he was having a tea shop, he was always having a neat dress. Even from 29 years before, the same habit has continued. Till now he is looking very neat and tidy. That could be not recognizing Aditya, he asked where we had come from. Who asked? The tea man asked. Tea shop owner. They said, Deodarganj. Aditya replied, we were on our way to Kolkata. From Kolkata they are coming to Deodarganj. A little surprised, Nagan uncle asked, why we were there? He asked, why you are coming there? So what Aditya said, to have a tea and some biscuits. That is the routine of him. When he was in school, he used to take tea and biscuits from the same shop. The same thing he said, just to have tea and besides tea I have some biscuits and savories. So give us 2 mankati each. That is eatable. That is belongs to maybe English country. That is 2 mankats each. That is along with the tea. Instead of biscuits, what they say, mankatis. So we'll stop with this and we'll continue in another class.